इस बीच आपको बताएं, शिवसेना यूबीटी विधायक आदित्य ठाकरे ने महायुति द्वारा दी गई गारंटी पर हमला किया और एमवीए की घोषणा पत्र की जमकर सराहना की। उन्होंने एकनाथ शिंदे पर भी तीखा हमला करते हुए उन्हें झूठा बताया और उन पर और बीजेपी पर महाराष्ट्र को लूटने का आरोप लगाया।
So this is the same constituency who made you MLA for the first time and cabinet minister. What is your experience? How do you connect with the voters here?
It is a constituency that has kept giving me love and blessings. Even now you see all the love and blessings coming my way. This is what I've come here for, love and blessings. And this is also because of the work that we've been putting here.
So it's a triangular fight. You have Milind Devra and Sandeep.
Not just a triangular fight. We have multiple MLA candidates out here. All of them are equally important for me and I respect all of them.
Sir, as far as the guarantees are concerned, Mahavikas Aghadi has put out certain guarantees. And at the same time, we have guarantees from Mahayuti also. So what...
See, it's not Mahayuti, it's Mahajuti. They are the biggest liars. Eknath Shinde's government is the most corrupt and incapable government in the history of independent India. And you can see that. Not a single project has been brought to Maharashtra by them. And they have looted Maharashtra. Maharashtra will reject the looters of Maharashtra.
Sir, as far as concern was, you have always been vocal about Mumbai.
Yes.
And what are the guarantees or what are the things for Mumbai? Because
See, Mumbai has seen a decay in administration over the past 2 years. No municipal... Dhanyavad. No municipal elected officials. You don't have corporators, you don't have the mayor. You see all the projects have been delayed by Eknath Shinde, escalated in cost by Eknath Shinde and the BJP. And Mumbai's voice, be it the ALMs, be it the resident welfare associations, the housing societies, no one is heard. The problem is, Mumbai is seen as a hen that lays the golden eggs by the BJP and Eknath Shinde. And this is what we're against.
Sir, as far as the guarantees are concerned, you were accusing that, the economic status or the budget is not there. What, 1,500?
Yes.
But we offered 3,000.
I'll tell you why. Because the Eknath Shinde and BJP government has drained our treasury into giving its favorite contractors the money that is supposed to be meant for these welfare schemes. Even if you scrap the contracts that have been given to their favorite contractors, you will have enough money.